Hello guys, so this is the second part of the CSN Edu Mail making process. So in this video I am going to show you how you can validate or how you can set up the Edu email which we have received in our Gmail. So if you haven't watched my previous video, please do watch it because it is related with the previous video. In the previous video we have created an Edu email. So let me show you. So just open the browser and this is the same email which we have used in the last video, and we have received our Edu email successfully. And now we are going to set up this Edu email. Your VPN must be turned on for this. So I have already connected to the VPN, and these are the Edu email details which we have noted. So what we will do now, we will open this and check. So this is our ID and every detail is mentioned over here. And now another, just open this mail, and here are the steps to validate your account. So first of all we will go to this, or we will click here, and let's click here. So you have to watch the previous video to create this Edu email. So I will be giving the video link in the description, so please do watch it. Now we have to enter our ID over here. So just go to this mail and just copy the ID and paste it over here. And now last name, for the last name go to here, and the last name is this. So just copy this and paste it over here. The PIN, so you can see this, the PIN is the last 4 digits of the SSN. So we will just paste the last 4 digits of our SSN and paste it over here. And now click on next. So just scroll down over here and just click on agree. So just we have to verify here with some questions. So you can select the questions of your own choice. So I have selected this, and I have given the answer. And now you can select another option, and you can give the answer. And please do note these questions and answers. If you forget password, you need this. So now we have to give our password. So just scroll down. So let's give our password. So after giving the password, now click on create. So yes, you got your email address, you can see this. So just copy these details and paste it in your notepad where all the details are saved. So just paste it over here, and you can note the password here which we have given. And now what we will do, after noting this, now what we will do, just scroll down and you can see this link. Just click over here. So we will be redirected to this site. Now we have to click here, this login button. So just click here. So this setup may take some time, because after setting your password it may take some time to log in or to set the new password. So you have to wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes, or maybe at most 1 hour, or to log in successfully. So now we have to enter our username and password. So just copy the username from here and enter here, and now password, just enter the password which we have given earlier. Now click on login. So you can see this, our login is failed. So as I said, it will take some time. You have to wait at least 10 to 15 minutes for this login. So after 5 to 10 minutes, let us try this again. Just enter the password, and now just click on login. So yes, our login is successful. So it took about 10 minutes for this login. So you have to keep patience and wait for at least 10 minutes. Again, now we have to select the answer of some question. So just enter the answer, and please do remember it, because if you forget the password, your password cannot be recovered. So just remember these answers, and now click on update configuration. So our password reset configuration has been saved. Now just click on continue. So this is the dashboard of our Edu email. So just click here, student email. Now you can see, so we have to log in now, and you can see here, login using your NHSC ID at student.csn.edu. So we have to log in with this email. So what we will do, just copy this ID and paste it over here, and after this just copy this one up to this and paste it over here. So now our email is ready. This is the email which we will be using for signing in. So just enter this, and now click on next. So it's showing like this. So it means that we have to wait here for some time. So it may take around half an hour or some more time for logging in. So what you have to do is just wait for about half an hour, and after that we can try it again. I'm going to try it after some time. This is half an hour later and more. So after half an hour and more, you have to try it again. So let's try this again. So click on just refresh the page now, and do copy this email address, and now just give this email address, and now click on next. So you can see this, guys. Now we have successfully accessing our email address. So now just enter the password, and now click sign in. So guys, now click on next. So now what we have to do is just click here, I want to use a different authenticator app, and now click on next. So a QR code is showing. Now what you will do, that just open the Play Store in your mobile and search for Google Authenticator app, and the link of that app will be given in the description, so you can download it directly. So after downloading and installing it, just open the Google Authenticator app and scan this QR code by clicking the plus button over there. So just click the plus button and scan this QR code. So after scanning this QR code, click on next, and a OTP will be displayed in your authenticator app. Just enter the OTP here and now click on next. So the OTP is changed every 30 seconds, so you have to enter within that time. So yes, successfully we have authenticated our email. Now click on done. And now click on yes. You can authenticate your email with both phone number and this authenticator app. The which one you prefer, you can go with. So now let's see whether we get our Edu email or not. So now just click on skip, done, and it is loading. So you can just click over here to view your email address. So guys, you can see this, we have successfully logged into your Edu email, and you can see this, the Edu email. So if you want to receive the Edu emails, video will be given in the description. So you cannot get the emails directly over here, there is a process to get these emails. So please do watch the video in the description and I button, and this is the whole process how you can create an Edu email for Microsoft Azure $100 credits. So this is the whole process. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.